Let us further explore primary trigonometric ratios for any angle. Question 3. Point P is 20 centimeters from origin and angle POX equals to 225 degrees. Determine the coordinates of P. Round your answer to nearest tenth. So let's first sketch. So we are given point P, which makes an angle of 225. So 225 will be between 270 and 180. So let's say it's kind of here, okay? So that is the point P for us, making an angle of 225. That means this angle is 225 degrees. Now, we are given the length from origin to point P is 20 centimeters. So this is 20 centimeter, and here we have a point X coinciding with the initial arm. Determine the coordinates of point P. We need to find the coordinates of point P. Let the coordinates be X and Y. Now how can you find coordinates X and Y if you know the angle and the length of the arm? That is the question. So as you know, ratios, the primary trigonometric ratios, can help us solve this problem. Sine theta is y over r, and we can solve for y from here, and we can say, well, y is equals to r sine theta. And you know, cosine theta is equal to x over r, and from here we can say x is equals to r times cosine theta. So when we are saying coordinates of a point, we are trying to find x and y values, correct? So using this formula, we can find x and y values. So let's find the x value first. So we have x equals to r, in our case is 20, and cos of 225 times cos of 225 degrees, right? So we can use the calculator and calculate. So we have the value as 20 cos of 225 equals to minus 14.14. Since we want to round our answer to nearest tenths, it will be rounded to minus 14.1. Now for y will be equals to r is 20 sine of 225 degrees, which is equals to 20 sine of 225, which is equals to minus 14.14. It's kind of same, right? So we get x and y coordinates as this is the x coordinate, right? So for the point P, the x and y coordinates are minus 14.14. When we round, it should have been rounded to minus 14.1. So let's write 14.1, and the y value from here is minus 14.1. So that is how you can find x and y coordinates in such a case. I hope that helps. Thank you.